Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Telegram followers. First, clearly define your channel's purpose and who you want to reach. This foundational step ensures your content resonates with the right audience. Next, focus on creating truly valuable and engaging content that keeps people interested. Remember, quality over quantity is key for long-term growth. Finally, optimize your channel's profile with a compelling description and relevant keywords to improve discoverability. A strong content strategy is vital for attracting and retaining followers. Vary your content by including polls, quizzes, images, and videos to keep things fresh and interactive. Aim to post at least 3 to 5 times a week to maintain consistent engagement. Always encourage your members to participate in discussions and share their thoughts, fostering a sense of community. Promoting your channel effectively is crucial for expanding your reach. Share your Telegram link across all your other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and X to leverage existing audiences. Consider collaborating with other channels that share a similar audience but are not direct competitors. Also, submit your channel to popular Telegram directories and online communities to increase its visibility. Sustained growth comes from engagement and smart analysis. Always interact with your audience, responding to their comments and feedback to build a loyal community. Use Telegram's built-in analytics to understand what content performs best and when your audience is most active. Finally, consider running exciting contests or giveaways. These can attract many new followers and show appreciation to your existing ones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.